Hi everyone, welcome back to App Guide. I'm back with another tutorial video today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to log into your Microsoft account. So for this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the Microsoft Teams on your mobile app and that you're already signed up to the account, or you can also do this through your web browser. Since I've already downloaded the app on my mobile device, I'm just going to open up the app, and then when I open the app, I land on an interface that looks like this. Here I can see that on the upper section there's a sign in option, so I'm just going to tap on sign in with another account, and as I do so I'll have to enter the email, phone number or the Skype ID that I used in order to sign into my Microsoft Teams account. So here I'm just going to type in my email address. After typing in my email address, I'm just going to tap on the sign in button. Make sure that you tap on the sign in button, and after tapping on the sign in button you will now be directed towards the page where you will be asked to enter the password that you had earlier set for your particular account. So here I'm just going to enter the password that I set for my account and then tap on the sign in button. After tapping on the sign in button, it will take about a few seconds time before you get logged into your Microsoft Teams account. Here it says it's given your name and it says that it's going to take a certain while, and as you can see when you tap on the upper left corner you can already see that you've been logged into your account.